Greetings, it's T. Wiley Law, a Texas attorney, and this is for everyone. Let's discuss Miss Fani Willis. She is the current Fulton County District Attorney in Georgia. She's also the special prosecutor over the election subversion case against Donald Trump and 14 others. In 2021, she hired Nathan Wade to join the prosecution team. Trump's legal team is now alleging an inappropriate relationship between Willis and Wade. The original accusation stemmed from Mike Roman, one of Trump's co-defendants, who filed a motion to have Willis removed, alleging an inappropriate relationship with Wade that included his salary being spent on vacations for the two of them. Testimony was given Thursday, February 15th, from Wade, another witness via teleconference, and Miss Willis herself. She took the stand. She left her office, walked down the hall, entered the courtroom unaccompanied, and declared that she was ready to testify. She was actually interrupting her own attorney, who was trying to convince the judge that she should not have to testify at all. According to Willis and Wade, they did begin a relationship in 2022, months after he was hired. A former friend and colleague of Miss Willis, who testified via teleconference, actually stated that their relationship began back in 2019, shortly after they met at a conference. The friend's testimony did lack specific details of her conversations with Miss Willis, and when confronted with this, Miss Willis actually called her friend a liar. Mr. Wade did state that Ms. Willis did repay him roughly half of the cost of the trips that they took together, included that she paid him back for tickets and other purchases totaling thousands of dollars, and that she repaid him in cash. The defense lawyers did find this difficult to believe, that she would have so much cash on hand to be able to repay him for all this in cash. Her testimony was emotional. The proceedings were tense. At one point, it seemed as if she was almost yelling at the defense attorney, prompting the judge to call a 5-minute recess in an attempt to cool things down. In my opinion, as a Black woman, it was inspiring to see her fight back, stand up for herself on the attacks against her integrity. But as a lawyer, it was disheartening because she digressed from the questions with a lot of great quotables, but I'm unsure if it worked in her favor. If she is removed, it could substantially draw out the case because a new prosecutor would have to be appointed. Now, testimony will continue with Ms. Willis Friday, February 16th, but I think that it is unlikely that the judge will make a ruling on Friday. I would love to hear your thoughts on this matter. Do you believe that it is a conflict of interest, that she remain a prosecutor on this case? Do you think that the relationship between Wade and Willis was inappropriate? And do you think that she should be removed? Let me know. Until next time, and remember, ignorance is never a defense.